Surprisingly, the film and television industry is a major contributor to CO2 emissions, and the potential in reduction of CO2 in film productions is quite easily accessible. It is important to plan ahead to get the key people on board and to mainstream this sustainability idea into the whole production.
People out there see that this industry is taking on its responsibility and communicates this responsibility. And the first step is network, bring people together from the industry, across the industry, that want to do something.
It's important to have the director on board. It's important to have the actors on board. I did a movie with HBO a couple of years ago, and Al Pacino was our star, and we were in the conversation about his, camper and the size of his camper on the set, and I said, I want you to know we're going to run a green set, and we want to be as sustainable as possible, and would you be interested in helping? And he said, yes, I'd like to support this, and I'd like to help. And so we talked about different ways to change what he might have done if the agent just ticked off all the boxes of what had been in his precedent. And we worked together to reduce the size of our base camp and to do something that was more, efficient and sustainable.
The process starts in the office. So basically it would be necessary that all the head of departments come together in a very early stage and talk and discuss about eco-friendly production design. So everybody in the team is aware of the fact to go more green.
Within the Carbon Film Quad project, we realized that producing a movie in the future with a carbon-conscious production scheme behind it doesn't mean that your creativity will go down or your scope of ideas to be put onto the celluloid will change. Not at all. You just have to make up your mind in advance of how to produce a movie with the same lights, the same ideas, the same actors, but maybe with less energy, with less waste, or more reusable or renewables in the process itself.
Start with small steps. I think this is the most important point. You cannot solve the problem from today to tomorrow, but if you have a vision and you take the first step and you communicate this one to the public, I think this is the way to go.